Hello my friends. How are you? I am happy for you to watch my videos, and I hope you like them. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy watching. Let's start with the explanation. Follow with me the basic steps to draw an oval shape with a black hole inside it in 3D. 1. Draw an egg. Start by drawing a 2D oval shape on a piece of paper. You can use a pencil to draw the shape with light lines so you can make adjustments easily. 2. Add a third dimension. Start by outlining the top of the egg and draw a perfectly curved line over it. The line should curve outward toward the top of the egg. 3. Draw the hole. Choose a specific location inside the egg where you would like to place the hole. Draw a small inner circle at this location. You can use a pencil or any other drawing tool for this. 4. Add depth and detail. To complete the 3D effect, enhance the look by adding shadow and appropriate lighting. You can draw diagonal lines or use shading to highlight details and give the oval the desired depth. These are basic steps to draw an oval shape with a black hole inside it in 3D. You can modify and develop the steps according to your own artistic and creative vision. Use a pencil or appropriate drawing tool and draw lines with straight lines slanting towards the source. Then define the shadow and light areas, then draw the diagonal lines. You can gently strip or shade the lines using different pressure on the pen or drawing tool. You can also add depth and dimension to the oval and highlight details to achieve a realistic 3D effect. Notice how beautiful and interesting the final result is. How to draw a 3D square using white paper and a pencil. You will need white paper, a pencil, and a ruler. 2. Start by drawing the 2D square on paper. Use a ruler to draw 4 parallel, equal lines at right angles to form the square. You can use any size box you like, depending on how big you want it to be. 3. Now we will add the third dimension to turn the square into a 3D square. Start by selecting the top right corner of the 2D box. Draw a diagonal line pointing outward from this angle. This line will represent the top front face of the 3D box. 4. The diagonal line you drew in the previous step will be the top leading edge of the 3D box. Now, draw another diagonal line from the top left corner of the 2D box to intersect with the edge you drew in the previous step. This line will be the upper left edge of the 3D box. 5. Continue drawing the remaining diagonal edges of the 3D box. Draw a diagonal line pointing outward from the top left corner of the 2D box to become the top left side of the 3D box. Then draw a diagonal line pointing outward from the upper right corner of the 2D square to become the upper right side of the 3D square. 6. After drawing the top edges, draw the bottom edges of the 3D box in the same way. Draw diagonal lines from the bottom corners of the 2D box to form the bottom side faces of the 3D box. Thank you for watching. May you be well.